Sunday, you guys. So last night, I don't know what country you guys live in, but in the US we did our spring forward or daylight savings, so I got 1 less hour of sleep. I'm not sure why we do it, but we do it every year. So as bizarre as it sounds, this is as bizarre as it is to experience. So we gain an hour in the fall, but we lose an hour in the spring, and I literally didn't realize until last night before I went to bed that this was happening. And I went to bed a little too late, so I slept in today. I'm ready to get moving though. Here's just time to go grab some water and chug. Enjoyed a 15-minute scroll, which was nice, and now I'm gonna go to the kitchen because I have to brine some chicken for dinner. If y'all don't know what brining is, it's pretty much the only way we eat chicken in my house, because otherwise it's dry and it lacks depth of flavor. That's why I didn't like chicken for years. I definitely recommend these daggone gnats. I stayed away from chicken for years because it wasn't that good, but now we've unlocked the code. So I use this pan because we need bigger bowls. And look, I don't know if you can tell, but created ice. This is crazy. Created ice. It was supposed to be thawing out. I don't know if you can see this is ice. Look at this. The chicken feels soft, funny enough, like it's thawed out. But this is like an entire... I've never had this before. The main thing you need for a brine is just some salt. I'm actually gonna mix it up and add in an onion today to see if it like helps with the flavor. I'm cutting a lemon right now so I can actually clean the chicken. The chicken is pretty much covered in water. I'm not letting it. You can measure your salt if you want. I just put enough in until my ancestors told me to stop. Use my Kool-Aid spoon just to kind of mix it in, but the salt doesn't have to dissolve. Trust me, it'll dissolve over the few hours. I will say that Costco has pretty affordable chicken, less than 10 bucks. No, it's a ton of chicken, but like, so some of the legs are like this big and then some of the legs are this big. So you see the size difference. The sizes aren't consistent. I actually think the little ones are cute, but that's a big difference. Change of plans a little bit. I forgot that we had these in the back of our cabinet. Got these probably from Whole Foods, like probably last year or something like that. So a good tip for you guys to follow if you are a to-do list kind of person. So for the things I have to do, I normally try to do the thing I want to do the least first, so then it's out of the way. I feel accomplished. I'm like proud of myself. I'm like, go me, I did the tough thing first and it's just out of the way. And the one thing I want to do the least today is wash my hair. It's just one of those things that takes time and lots of energy. For products, you know, there's a whole process involved. So I'm also hungry, which is totally fine, but one thing I do recommend before you do a tough task, like you don't want to go into it hungry, because then you're gonna hit that hangry stage, which I'm definitely familiar with, and then it like just makes the task seem longer, and I'm less patient with my hair. Got this tip from Whitney Simmons. If you like sriracha, just adding a little bit into your eggs, it's just like a nice little spicy flavor. And I'm gonna do some yoga so that I am moving my body today. And there's also a new tool I actually got sent that I'm gonna share with you guys. I've only used it a handful of times. I am a little bit sore today, so I actually feel like I can use it. So I just took a shower and it was like so amazing. Anyway, I am gonna wear these Halara, the super flares, you guys. I'm kind of shocked how much I absolutely love these pants. They are just literally so comfortable. They're the first pair of leggings I grab after I wash them. Like I literally washed them yesterday and I'm already about to wear them again because I just love how comfortable they are. I also love the length for the winter. It just gets a little cold, so it helps keep my ankles really warm. It like traps the heat and my ankles stay warm, which seems like such a strange thing, but I actually really love these. And I'm actually gonna wear it with this Halara tank because I am gonna do some yoga, but this is just like good for lounging around the house. So this is the back of the leggings. I wanted to show you guys. So it has this really big pocket. Like, this is my phone halfway, and obviously you can't fit your whole phone, but I feel like for some of these leggings, when they have pockets, they're so small you can't put anything in this, but you could definitely put like your card or your keys in there when you're going for a walk. I like to walk to the coffee shop, my sister and I, sometimes when it gets warm out, so you could definitely fit like a debit card, or actually, do you see how wide this is? Debit card or two in here. I feel like if I finesse it, I could probably fit my phone, or if you don't have like the max, you could definitely fit your phone in here as well. But it is just like a nice pocket to actually fit more stuff in it. They're so cute. I love the flare. They're just so comfortable. This is the fragrance of the day. Wicked Romance. This is what I call an everyday. Let me turn my music off. Okay. Oops. This is what I call an everyday perfume. So it is an Eau Parfum. I got it from Marshall's for like 10 bucks, you guys. And it smells amazing. And what I mean by everyday perfume is like I can wear it every day around the house, or when I'm running errands or something like that, when I don't want to wear like my nice expensive perfume, but I still want to smell good. So it's definitely just like around the house. Like, I don't need to wear like my Mon Guerlain perfume around the house, even though I do. Sometimes I do, I genuinely do, but I'm trying to be more like conservative and save it for like special events, or when I'm actually like going out and doing something, which is like once a year, so we'll save it for that occasion. After doing my hair, I tend to want to just like relax for at least like an hour because it takes a lot out of me, so I made some tea. A good trick if you're having a sore throat or congestion, my sister taught me, is put some cough drops in your tea. I had this last night and it was just so good. So I'm gonna have this now, and I'm not sure when and if I'll have lunch, but I'll show you guys if I do. So I promised myself that if I was going to take a rest day today, that I would at least get some yoga stretching in and do some rest day activities. So one of which is definitely getting some yoga and stretching out my limbs. I just really feel like I need it. As usual, you guys, stretching is very important, and some of the most important promises we make and keep are the ones we make to ourselves. So I'm definitely gonna get this done. Favorites for yoga is Yoga with Adrienne is phenomenal. I really like her, and Yoga with Bird. These are my two favorite people on YouTube to do yoga with. I haven't done yoga with Adrienne for a while, and I was wanting something for 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so I'm deciding to do the bird one because I'm not looking to like get my heart rate up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just really looking for some long stretching. So I'm not trying to like put in work really right now. I used to be a little bit of a yogi, but there's certain different kinds of like yoga you can do. And some yoga, it's like definitely meant to like get your heart rate up, actually like strengthen your muscles, lengthen your muscles and stuff like that. And Yoga with Adrienne is more of that. And I like Yoga with Bird because it's genuinely just more of the stretching thing. We're not like that move that I was doing where I was bringing my knee to my elbow. That's a challenging move. Like, I was shaking. I don't know if you could tell, but I was shaking, and it's like, that's not what I'm looking for right now. So
exhale, taking that elbow to the outside of the left knee, taking your twist. Inhale to sit tall.
I feel like sometimes with fitness, we're just pushed to like keep going, push harder, lift heavier weights, you know, always strive to like just keep pushing the ante. And I do think that there's growth in that. And I think depending on your goals, that might be conducive to, you know, your goals. Sometimes it's just so nice to just like pause, have these deep stretches, and it's just so relaxing. This is where we're at, and I'm so happy with that. I feel amazing. I need to do meditation. I haven't meditated yet, so I'm gonna do that, and then I want to show you guys this new tool I've been trying to implement. I literally just got it a few days ago. Okay, you guys, so it's actually a few days later, and I know I mentioned wanting to use a tool with you guys, so today was the perfect opportunity for me to bring it out. They actually sent this to me, so if you guys are interested in a massage gun, everything will be linked below. I've never actually used one, let alone own one before. So this is kind of what it looks like on the inside of the container. It comes with all these different attachment tools, and then the mechanism itself. So I'm actually sore today, so I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to actually see how well this works. And then one thing I also love about the user manual, which is included with the purchase, is it's going to tell you which attachment to use for which body part for how long. It's even going to tell you in which way to sweep the massage across your muscles. So my triceps are very sore, my biceps are also sore. Both call for the ball head attachment, so I'm going to go ahead and attach that, and I'm going to spend some time massaging my muscles today. It is very powerful. I will say, like, my first impression, I was like, wow, I just was not expecting it to be as powerful as it is, and I normally keep it on the first setting. Okay, so then you just press and hold to turn it on. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is extreme. So as I mentioned, I have used it a time or two before. I've had it for a few days now, and it feels really, really nice just like on your body to massage. But I wanted to use it like on sore muscles to see how it works with sore muscles. I was going to take my sweatshirt off, but this thing is very powerful, as you can see by the 5 speeds, or the 5 different, is it called speeds? Tempos? I'm not really sure. I don't really know what that's called. Maybe I should. It literally tells you how to do every area of your body, your chest, abs, your feet. So there are different speeds. Oh, okay, this is super, super cool. So I have this chart here, which tells you, like, if you're using it for recovery, I guess people use it to warm up their muscles as well, which speed to use it on for that particular thing. So I'm in the recovery zone. That's going to be this line here. So I'm going to kind of follow those instructions. I love that this comes with instructions. I know that seems so silly, but I think the wrong thing to assume is that everyone knows how to use these things, because I've seen these before. Lots of people use them. They're pretty popular, but I've never owned one. So it's like a power tool. Like, seriously. Okay, I went too hard. Ooh, okay. I would say if you've ever had like a deep tissue massage, it kind of reminds me of that, in the sense that I'm already sore, so it's like this massaging kind of like feels like it's, I don't want to say painful. It's definitely highlighting the soreness, and this is definitely something you could do in between commercials, like on the as you're watching TV, or if you're just like literally lounging in your room. I can see this being very helpful. Ooh, so tight. Should I massage one and not the other and see if there's a difference tomorrow? I think I am. I think I'm gonna test that. I'm gonna do an experiment. But for your feet, this was amazing for you. If you have sore feet or achy ankles or anything like that, I love this thing. No cap, y'all. I am not joking when I say the arm I didn't massage was very, very, very sore the next day, while the arm you guys see me massaging was not sore at all. So I was blown away by how sore my one arm was, but my other one wasn't. So I definitely will continue to use this tool. I feel like it shakes your soul. Like, it shakes everything. Am I shaking? It is perfect for tired feet. Like, I love a good foot massage, and this just does it for me. So it's about that time, and that means it's time for coffee. And I think I might just throw together a super quick salad. Something that's small because it's almost 4 p.m. and not something too heavy because I will start cooking dinner within an hour. Just wanna be your girl. It's what you do. Just wanna be your girl. Okay, so this isn't my salad recipe. I got it from Sam Oshkral. It's literally just lettuce, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. So this is my first time trying it. I hope it's good. It sounds really good and really fresh. Okay, so the salad looks as plain as it sounds, but honestly, to me this looks really good. I'm a lettuce lover, so we'll give it a try. I was planning to have a smoothie, but I'm just way too cold today. That's why I was like, coffee and then the salad will be a good mix. So I won't be too cold, but I'm still getting some green. I personally love lemon juice. If you're not a fan of tart things, I don't think you'll like this, but it is really fresh tasting. I definitely think like some cucumbers or something would be good with it though. Half and half. And I have to get some editing done. So for the next hour or so, I'm probably gonna edit and then have a huge pile of laundry that's staring at me. Literally, look. Black Santa socks are staring at me, so I definitely have to do this. You know what, I should probably have a banana too, because this will be good for my fruit and vegetable intake for the day, and then I'm also going to take my vitamins. Alright, that was actually really fun. I'm mostly done with the video, and it didn't take me nearly as long as I was anticipating. But yeah, I'm going to turn something on, probably on YouTube, and then get into the kitchen. But I want everyone to share below like one thing that they're interested in that they don't really talk about that they're interested in. But like for me, I really like survival-ish kind of videos. So like Xander, I can't think of his last name, but he like goes into the wilderness with like minimal supplies and he like lives out there for a few days and he cooks. I really love Isabel Page. Like she's like tiny house living. I really like her. This woman, this Korean woman named Hami Mami, she does like home vlogs and she cooks a lot, so I get really inspired watching her content. But yeah, I really love like survival stuff. So we love the shows like Alone or Naked and Afraid, those kinds of like vibe shows. But Xander is one of my favorites too on YouTube. He's in Canada, so shout out to my Canadians. Even this guy I watch less frequently, Nick Fry, he'll like go crabbing and like cook the crabs, and like I just think it's so interesting. So everyone comment below one thing that you don't really talk about, but it's like something that you're actually like really interested in. Another mention I really love watching is Kara and Nate. I love their stuff. Iman and Beck, I love their stuff. They're really great. She's more of a fitness, she was like a fitness vlogger, but I really like her stuff. Devin Nicole, she's more like in my niche, I would say, like with stuff I like watching. But I love Kara and Nate, love their infectious energy. This is Xander. Me and my sister actually watched this video yesterday. I love his personality. It's actually been a while since I've watched Devin though, so I think I'm gonna catch up on this video. Take it out and like put it in this bowl. Let's see, but we need bigger bowls. Smoked paprika, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and rosemary. But we still have these too. I think I'm just gonna put them on a tray with some foil or something because this looks kind of cute like this. I honestly feel like I might add more seasoning too, because like where did the seasoning go? Is it in that water down there? Probably in that liquid, but I feel like it doesn't even look seasoned. I'm struggling. Gosh, this cast iron is heavy. The potatoes are still this sweet, but then tastes really good. So now there's about 20 minutes left, so we're gonna put these in. Oh, okay, lots of steam, lots of steam. Put our potatoes in. Steam microwavable vegetables for dinner tonight. I'm gonna do a bag of spinach and then a bag of the Brussels sprouts. It doesn't feel like there's a lot in here, so I'm gonna do both so we have veggie options and we're getting in our greens for the day. But yeah, we do like microwavable vegetables every once in a while. Brussels in here with some butter. This seasoning is so good for vegetables. Makes any vegetable taste good. All right, so dinner is done. We have the potatoes, added a little butter, spinach, Brussels sprouts, and 2 pieces of chicken. We'll see if I get some more food after this. I'm honestly not sure. So these have been my obsession lately. They are so good. They actually have some instructions on here. Warm them up at 275 for 5 minutes, and they are so good. So I'm about to warm up 2 of these because they are unapologetically delicious.